Qui bagaille fou, terminé à madame fait là. Comme nous espère que nous en forme, moi-même moi en forme. C'est un nouveau vlog qui a commencé. Nous devons matin. Un gros problème, c'est que tout le pantalon est trop large pour moi, surtout au niveau ceinture. On a parlé de ça avec nous sur Instagram. On a planifié pour mettre un bout de pantalon aujourd'hui. On prend un bout de pantalon. Hein. Niveau fesses, ça va. Niveau ceinture. Parlez-moi de ça. Bref, bye vague. Kounia, mon retard, comme d'habitude, j'ai rendez-vous à 10h30 dans le métro du collège avec terminé. Puis 10h52. Voilà quand même. Et nous allons aller à Ottawa, je veux dire. So, welcome to a new vlog.
Everyone cannot succeed on YouTube.
Yes.
You can see straight through my life. Oh, there's something in my chest that I can't hide. When feelings get involved, I'm terrified. 'Cause I've been here before and said goodbye. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I find
English, everywhere English.
Oh,
When I made a mistake, I just acting like
how
that.
can I love when
Yeah, I know.
heard 100 times? For you, I give it one more try.
The way you call him beggar. You pay cash? Oh. Ok, on va continuer à attendre. Ottawa. Première année, c'est popeyes, I don't know. But le fait qu'il
bury my head deep within the crowd, but I'm reaching for your hand to pull me out. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times?
This has been an extremely
you don't have life anymore.
Smoke or not?
Yeah.
That's it.
You can smoke.
Look at this, look at this.
Sorry. Oh, we are near. Look. Oh. It's a little Taj Mahal. It's where we go, Bella, right?
My mom said. You know what my mom said? The one's looking.
This look like I'm not looking. Ooh. For summer. When I do my nails, finally.
You did this on your
Vlog?
yeah jewelry store?
No.
Why?
I don't know. Nice color.
When we were at the
For what?
when we were at the store, they were looking for a wedding ring. But for me, I don't like that. I want someone who has to surprise me.
No. It's like for whole ladies.
Oh, wedding dress.
No. Home dress. They don't have a lot of fans.
What is this? No, is it a mall or something else?
Even the plaza have more fans.
The most mall in the world.
It's nice. The sunset should be very nice here.
I think we're gonna get this thing.
You want to do it?
Yeah. Did I lock
Let's
the
go.
car?
You remember?
Yeah. Wow. On the side is so nice.
I look like a kid. Me.
Right.
Hmm? Oh, they have a party here. Someone who's celebrating to me.
Just have to enjoy the evening. Yeah, I guess.
Hmm. Do we know what we're doing? We just go like. Bagay fou termini ak menem fe la. You'll die in diamonds. Diamond and gold today. Oh my god. I'm so scared now. I don't know what we're doing, but we're doing something. Now, shall we go like this? What we doing?
Don't go there. No, stop.
Okay.
Okay.
Like this. Look on my machine ka pule back Simon. It's like we're doing nothing. But it's
For 1 hour.
it's like at the gym.
The people are looking.
It's the most funniest 1 hour of the life.
Just watch out.
Watch out what? The lake? Oh my god. It's struggling.
Wait a minute. Okay?
Oh.
Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it. Turn,
Now we
turn.
can.
Go first.
No, no, no. Other side.
I got it.
Okay. No. Here. No.
No, you don't touch it. You're crazy. No. I was so struggling and then now it's that happened.
It's like we don't move.
Yo!
There's the driver. I master everything, okay? Pas jouer avec petit mon capitaine bateau et ton capitaine bateau. Par contre ça m'a fait ton capitaine bateau. Ton capitaine bateau. Even don't know what we're doing, but you want me to put it.
Yeah, do it.
Why we turn? Okay, we are good now. Oh, you know it's the flow of the river would drain us. Qu'est-ce que c'est mon Je dis essayer un bagay. Ouais, funny. Là, nous pas tant pile temps. Nous avons un bel petit parc là. Nous réparer tant pile temps. Faut nous retourner parce que ça prend 2 heures de temps pour nous retourner à Montréal. But it was a nice day. Okay, nice day. Where are we?
Oh, I know. We should like find out where we parked the car. The guy is looking at me so scared. Oh, it's a purple.
It's pink.
It's purple.
No! Look, those flowers everywhere. It's purple?
Yeah.
No! We acting like we are Montréal. On est toujours ainsi à Montréal.
It's called aging.
Thank you. Okay. Premier Starbucks of my life.
We're gonna get the one I show you. It's this one.
Ok guys, là moi dans Starbucks et nous allons essayer un venti mango dragon fruit. Pourquoi c'est par contre restaurant with 2 pumps of sip and sips. I don't know. Après ça, on a retourné la caille parce que il est presque 8 heures. Ou pas comprendre rien à ça maintenant. You don't get anything because it's Creole now.
I know. Do you like lemonade or water?
Lemonade. With like some cafe en pile, nice place, nice waiter. And moi fais souci avec même coup de bagaille comme j'ai essayé en high method. Même si nous ils sont bons bagailles, nous mettons essayer. Toujours essayer 15% non, c'est pas comme si ma bon bagaille de lui, c'est juste que tu trouves le moins et tu me testes, il est vraiment bon, ok? Vraiment bon.
TikTok problem.